Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my third video on creating creative posters using Canva. In this video, I'll show you how I designed this chocolate milkshake poster not just by adding elements but by building a visual story. So now I'm checking for a milkshake. Before that, let's add a background if possible, yes. In design, background sets the mood, and since this is a chocolate based poster, a brown tone instantly creates a rich, indulgent feeling. Next, I added the milkshake image and placed it at the center because the product should always be the hero of the design. To make it more eye catching, I duplicated the milkshake and positioned one part at the top and the other at the bottom, creating a floating, broken effect. Now, instead of keeping the cut sharp and realistic, I used a round frame here. And yes, inside this frame, I'm gonna insert a white chocolate or something like a creamy texture and placed it between the two parts. Look, we can do in both the ways, either creating both the frames or simply creating one and duplicating it. This is more easier. This helps blend the design naturally and gives the milkshake a realistic depth, which is very important in food poster designs. Now let's align it properly. Placement and alignment is very important in designing. Now after that, I'm adding a chocolate dots. Yes, just to make it more good. I'm looking for another darker texture. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, I think this one. I'm adding it on top of it. Yes. Now I'm gonna group all this. After that, I'm gonna add a chocolate splash. Let's see which splash suits the milkshake better. In the center, because splashes bring movement into the design and make the poster feel dynamic, as if the milkshake is bursting with flavor. That's how this particular splash gives us a vibe. To balance the heavy chocolate elements, I'm gonna place a soft cloud elements at the bottom. Clouds add contrast, lightness, and a dreamy touch, preventing the design from looking too dark or heavy. I'm gonna place it backwards so that the milkshake is clearly visible. Now I'm looking for any other background which suits the best. If not, just we can go with this background also. I'm just gonna check it if we can change the color. I think this is looking quite awkward. Now I'm gonna look for a chocolate drip elements if we can find it to place it at the top. Yeah, this. I think this chocolate drip, which visually frame the poster and guide the viewer's eyes toward the center. You can also add, for extra detail and energy, small chocolate dots and splash particles around the milkshake to make it more gut. These tiny elements help fill empty space and make the design feel complete and premium. Finally, I'm gonna add the text in the background with reduced opacity or simply with the same font. This creates depth without stealing focus from the main subject. And this is how you can turn simple Canva element into a high impact poster using design logic and creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can visit my channel for more creative poster designs using Canva. And if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thanks you for watching.